All right, here comes the pan.
Shot it back up and loosened it up.
Hallelujah.
Wow.
Oil pump?
Oil pump.
That's fascinating. What's going on over there? Okay.
Wow.
So this is
They're beating on
fascinating.
Randy.
So this is really fascinating. This is a windage tray. Now, the function of a windage tray, you got to remember that this crank spins at, 3,000, 4,000 RPM, so it's really humming in there. And the displacement, well, it's not the displacement. You've got all these counterweights and the rods, and this is spinning like crazy. There's a tremendous amount of wind that goes on inside the engine, a lot of air movement. And it will literally pick up the oil and fling it around. So to prevent, and when it starts flinging the oil around, that oil acts as drag. So performance engines
Windage tray.
have windage trays. And this is really surprising to see a windage tray on a, no, this is,
Oh, okay.
That's right there.
prevented from-
this is the
Like a
pickup.
skid plate for the motor.
Yeah, but it's more of a wind baffle. And this is the pickup for the oil.
There you go, Paul. He-Man.
Did you get it?
Paul
This
is
looks
also
like
He-Man.
it's been clogged here, and the only place it was coming in was right there.
Yeah.
So it's had trouble sucking. Nope. Finally,
Comments?
God.
Anybody? Comments?
Can I get one in there?
Yeah, go.
Okay,
Make
so
a
if it's
joke.
not getting much oil through there, what's the effect?
Well, it's getting
Performance.
here's the thing, it's getting enough oil because this is roughly about double in diameter to that. So it's still working, but the point is that it does look like it's a little.
It was working
Does it get
harder.
replaced or just clean?
Yeah, that's on top of that.
That is.
Okay, so you got to get this
Get
and
that.
this
Get
off.
these two.
Get these
Look at
two.
these two.
Does this get replaced or clean? This.
That gets cleaned.
So you just use it for this.
Yeah, that's just a pickup strainer, so the big shit doesn't make it in the oil.
Yeah, that's bad.
So is that supposed to be cleaned at a periodic rate, or did they just?
No, those never get until you get to this point where you're rebuilding.
Then you might as well just upgrade it.
Well, at that point, you just clean it. I'll stick this in ultrasonic cleaner, and it'll clean right up.
We love ultrasonic cleaners.
Yeah, one more, dude.
There's another one over here. But
That wasn't even a dirty joke.
can't get to it.
It's like, why are you laughing? It didn't say laugh on the light back here.
Put it on a
The
gay
laugh
man's
track.
car. That's perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, I need to get a laugh track so I can just add it.
Yeah, you just have to. Yeah, you just hit.
When I
they
edit, I
have
just
those
put it in
things. The loud and the applause, like the group applause.
And there was much rejoicing.
I roll to the lower corner every now and then.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So what?
Well, I'm thinking
Is there another one?
maybe we could get it with this.
Actually, well,
There it goes.
we just
Windage
wanted the
tray
windage
goes
tray off.
bye-bye.
Just put it on the door.
Thanks.
All right.
You gotta-
Mr. Sen, can you light up
This is.
our life?
Okay, so what are we doing now?
Oh wow.
It looks
Hold on.
sludgy. Hey, look, more light. Mmm. Well,
You can actually, it's cool
this has
enough
come
out
off,
there.
right?
Pardon?
This whole thing has come off,
I
right?
think we got it
Yeah.
off. I don't.
So we got to take this off, and they got a couple bolts here
two of
for
them,
the
yeah.
oil pump. Let's get the oil pump off. Because it's kind of sort of, wait.
Sherman's going outside where it's nice out.
It's nice out. We might as well go where the light is.
Go to the light.
Go to the light.
Our kitty litter.
We got more. We're going to the light.
There. Now we can see shit.
Woo!
Okay, while he's doing that,
Well, I don't think that one's fitting.
You guys start on that. I'm gonna go over and see what we got in Randyland.